GCSE Maths. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn to rearrange a formula. Rearranging formulas. Before rearranging formulas, it is important to know the inverse operations. The inverse of add is subtract. The inverse of subtract is add. The inverse of multiply is divide. The inverse of divide is multiply. The purpose of rearranging is to get the subject term alone and set the rest of the terms equal to it to solve the equation. To get the subject term alone, it may be necessary to expand brackets or factorize. Rearrange to make t the subject. D equals 5t minus 7. First move the number by itself. The 7 is a minus, so the inverse will need to be used. The inverse of minus is plus. D plus 7 equals 5t. 5t means 5 times t, and so when the 5 is passed across the equals sign, it will change to the inverse, which is divide. Some expressions contain powers. The inverse of a power is a square root of the same power. For example, the opposite of x squared is square root, the opposite of x cubed is a cube root, and so on. If a subject appears more than one, it may be necessary to factorize the equation. Before solving, you must collect all the terms on one side.